Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect OneNote to Notion using Zapier, so you can seamlessly integrate your notes and keep all your information flowing smoothly between these two powerful platforms. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your OneNote sync up with Notion in just a few minutes, saving you the hassle of manual transfers and giving your productivity a serious boost. Let's jump right into it. First, open up your web browser and head over to Zapier.com. Zapier is the tool that will bridge OneNote and Notion for you. If you haven't used Zapier before, think of it as a smart assistant that helps your favorite apps talk to each other, automating tasks that would otherwise take up your time. If you don't already have a Zapier account, you'll want to sign up for a free one. It only takes a minute, and it's absolutely worth it for keeping your digital life organized. Once you're logged in, look towards the top left for a big Create button. Give that a click, and then select Zap from the dropdown. Zapier calls these connections between apps zaps, and each zap is like a little workflow that automatically does something for you in the background. Don't be intimidated by all the options on this page. For our purposes, we're just going to focus on connecting OneNote to Notion. Now, in the What do you want to connect today field, start typing OneNote to Notion. You'll see suggestions pop up. Just select the OneNote to Notion integration. What's happening here is you're telling Zapier, whenever an event happens in OneNote, maybe you add a new note or update something, I want that info to go straight into my Notion workspace. This is super helpful if, let's say, you jot down meeting notes in OneNote during a call, but you use Notion as your main project hub. Setting up this workflow stops those important pieces of information from slipping through the cracks. The next step is absolutely essential, and it might take a couple of moments. You'll need to sign into both your OneNote and Notion accounts through Zapier, so the apps can share information securely. Zapier is very good about guiding you through this process, but just be prepared to have your login details handy. If you hit any snags here, double-check that you're using the correct accounts and permissions. Sometimes an ad blocker or a privacy extension can interrupt the login window, so if it doesn't work the first time, try disabling those briefly. Once you've connected both accounts, Zapier will walk you through a few steps to customize your workflow. For example, you might be asked exactly what you want to sync and when. Do you want every new page from OneNote to show up in a specific Notion database? Or perhaps just certain notes with a particular tag? Think about your routine and set this up in the way that saves you the most time. If Zapier asks you to test the connection, go ahead and do that. It's just making sure everything works behind the scenes before you set it live. And just like that, you're done. You've created a Zap that keeps your OneNote and Notion connected, so your notes follow you no matter which tool you're working in. This automation might seem small, but over time, it will really add up and help you stay organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or if you got stuck on a step, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. And if you want more easy tech tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.